So I received this Hobbytown of Boston chassis with all the bits and bobs here. We got the motor, all your other little parts and pieces, wheel sets, your trucks, flywheel, looks like your chassis. Little concern with the chassis though. I mean, if I push it down, you can kind of see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's sort of a little bit perhaps warped. It's not perfectly flat on the table here. Again, it kind of wobbles back and forth if I just push on it. You can see if I push on it. So it's kind of a little warped. Now it still needs to be cut because I need to make it a particular length. I'm thinking when I cut it, it'll give it a little bit of sag on both ends to sort of make it level out, I'm hoping. It looks like there's quite a bit of flash left on the chassis. If you have a look here, you see those holes look like they still need to be drilled through, especially the one there. Yeah, it looks like some filing is needed. It looks like on the edge here, definitely some excess flash. So there's what you get with a Hobbytown kit. You can see those holes have to be drilled through, filed. Thankfully there are some other YouTube videos on how to put this all together, as well as the instruction sheet, so we'll see what we can do with it. What I want to do eventually is try and put it in this old Tyco locomotive. So I'm going to upgrade this thing and bring it back to life and put an old locomotive on the rails again. So that's where we're at with the project. Okay? Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.